Are the crystals of salts really dry? Activity: heat a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry boiling tube. The color of the copper sulfate after heating is white. Crystal of copper sulfate that appear dry contain crystal water. When we heat the crystal, this water is removed and the salt turns white. Add 2-3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. Moisten the crystals again with water. You will find that blue color of the crystals reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. Chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. Now you would be able to answer the question whether the molecule of Na2CO3 10H2O is wet. One other salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules as water of crystallization. It has the formula CaSO4 2H2O. Let us look into the use of this salt. Plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is called plaster of Paris, the substance which doctors use as plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water, it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. Only half a water molecule is shown to be attached as water of crystallization. 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 1 molecule of water. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys, materials for decoration, and for making surfaces smooth.